Being in a good mood is what I'm going to talk about today.
Mwah. Somebody's in a good mood.
Right, that was creepy as hell. Greetings, everybody. It is I, your friend, the Midlife YouTuber. Being in a good mood is what I'm going to talk about today. So, this hat is really warm. Whew, take that off for a second. So, one of the things that I want to talk about with being in a good mood is one of my favorite movies of all time, one of the best movies ever made. That's the movie Say Anything. There is a phenomenal line in that movie.
How hard is it just to decide to be in a good mood and then be in a good mood?
That has shaped the way I see my life. And it has put me in a good mood constantly, even when I'm just not in a good mood.
How hard is it just to decide to be in a good mood and then be in a good mood?
So in that clip, John Cusack is talking to his sister, played by his actual sister, Joan Cusack. She's single, raising a kid. She's angry at Lloyd because he's being the fun uncle instead of being a positive male role model. And he's like, what is the matter with you? You used to be zany and crazy and cool. You were amazing, and now you're boring. And how hard is it to decide to be in a good mood and then just be in a good mood?
How hard is it just to decide to be in a good mood and then be in a good mood?
The first time I saw that movie, I rented it. I didn't see it in the movie theater. I rented it from my friend Miguel at Palmer Video. I was but a child. And when I heard that line, as I watched the movie, it kind of meant something. I stopped it, I rewound it, I listened to it again, I watched the scene again, and it's one of those things that stuck with me, and I just kept thinking about it and thinking about it. How hard is it to decide to be in a good mood and then just be in a good mood?
How hard is it just to decide to be in a good mood and then be in a good mood?
I mean, even as a kid, preteen at this point in my life, I knew that mood shapes everything about you. It shapes how people see you. It shapes your reaction, your interactions with people, and it shapes how people react to you. And then I thought to myself, is being in a good mood a decision? Is it something that I can turn on and off just that simply? And I discovered that, well, yes and no, to be honest. There's some moods need to kind of make their way through. They need to run their course. But oftentimes, you can just make that decision that, you know what? I decided today is going to be a good day. And I'm not going to let anything stop me. Nothing's going to get me down today. And you have to keep that in your mind. And you know what? You can keep it in your mind. You can fight the forces of evil as they come at you all day long, every day. There's no law that says when somebody's shitty to you, you have to be shitty back to them. In fact, sometimes it's much better and much more fulfilling in many different ways and many different reasons to be positive to negative people. Number one, it's absolutely going to piss them off. But number two, you may rub off on them. Because here's the thing, when two people are in opposite sides of the spectrum of happiness, one's in a really good mood, one's in a really bad mood, and they have to interact with each other, one is going to win out over the other one. Either the person in the bad mood is going to suddenly work their way into having a good mood or a better mood, or the person who is in a good mood and having a great day is going to lower themselves down and suddenly start having a bad day because of their interaction with the person having a bad mood. It's the person who has the greater will that's going to win out. And if your decision first thing in the morning is that today is going to be a good day, hell, today is going to be a great day, and I'm going to be in a good mood all day, I'm going to be in a great mood all day, and you hold on to that, guess what's going to happen? You're going to be in a great mood. No matter what happens to you, you're going to be in a great mood. That's how I fight depression. That's how I fight fear. That's how I fight loneliness. Decide I'm going to be in a good mood. I'm going to have a good day. And I go about it. And anytime somebody tries to ruin my mood, or somebody gives me a negative interaction, or somebody is just a horrible, miserable person, I don't let them win. My will is going to win out every time because it's my choice. I refuse to lower myself down to them. I refuse to let my good mood be destroyed.
It's hard to get in the mood.
And I will be victorious, because at the end of the day, there's only one person who's responsible for my mood, and that's me. And I'm not going to let somebody else decide or dictate how my day is going to go. There's horrible things that happen throughout the day, negative things. That's okay. No day is perfect. No person is perfect. Nothing is ever perfect, except bourbon and the movie Say Anything. Those two things are perfect, and I will die on that hill. Now, you may not like bourbon. You may not like alcohol. You may not like the movie Say Anything. I mean, you'd be wrong. You'd be wrong. Just be wrong.
Wrong, 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 wrong.
But if you've never seen the movie, I strongly recommend you watch the movie. I want you to kind of understand the concept of that what Lloyd Dobler is saying to his sister. He's saying that happiness is a choice. And it really is. You can choose to be happy, you can choose to be sad, you can choose to be miserable. Every day you wake up, you're going to make a choice on how that day is going to play out. And the only person that can really control that is you. Not your boss, not your coworkers, not your spouse, not your kids. You know, they can make it more difficult for you to be happy and joyful, but they can't take it away from you. Only you can allow that to happen. If you make the decision to be in a good mood.
How hard is it just to decide to be in a good mood and then be in a good mood?
You're going to be in a good mood. It may take a lot of practice. It's not something that you can just wake up tomorrow and do. But this is something that I've been doing since I was in my early teens. Just wake up and go, you know what, today's going to be a good day. And you get through the day. And every time somebody tries to turn you around and put you on the path to a bad mood, just stop and remind yourself.
How hard is it just to decide to be in a good mood and then be in a good mood?
So I hope you decide to be in a good mood, because I'm in a great mood today. So now, go out, be in a good mood, be happy. Catch your first fish. Do that thing. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. And now go out there and have a great day. Talk to you later. And remember, Midlife YouTuber loves you all.